This is the world's first airless basketball. It is completely 3D printed and needs no air at all. So I'm going to compare it to a normal basketball, starting with the weight.
It's got like the same weight.
Now the question everyone is wondering,
How will it bounce? Kind of loud, right? Alright, here's this one.
it was pretty much silent. I even had my friends try it and they were absolutely shocked with how quiet it was. And honestly, when you bounce the two of them together,
Dude, the 3D printed one actually goes higher.
I'm not gonna lie, I was completely blown away with this basketball. But now it's time for one of the most important tests.
See how this thing shoots?
I'm not gonna lie, this was a lot different than a normal basketball.
That's so quiet.
But I was actually pretty surprised on how easy it was to use.
Yay!
Let me know in the comments down below, would you ever play with an airless basketball?